Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona recovery program है आपका one-stop solution to fix all these problems. Simple to follow, slow and controlled body movement से ये program आपके stamina को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ सिंपल बॉडी वेट वार्म अप मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके. आज की फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है आर्म सर्कल्स. इसकी हम करेंगे 8 रेपिटेशंस ऑन ईच साइड. मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सिटिंग स्ट्रेट, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. इस मूवमेंट को आप स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में भी कर सकते हैं. आर्म्स आर स्ट्रेट. ब्रीथ इन एज यू लिफ्ट योर आर्म्स अप. ब्रीथ आउट एज यू ब्रिंग योर आर्म्स डाउन. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep going. Make sure that your arm movements are synchronized with your breathing. Opposite. Breathe in as you lift, breathe out as you lower your arms down. In as you lift, out as you drop. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our upward arm stretch. Take a deep breath in as you lift your arms up, bringing your palms together. Breathe out as you bring your arms back down. 8 repetitions again. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Up next, guys, is dynamic side dips. Lift your arms up and grab the opposite elbow. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out as you drop down to one side. Come back. Breathe in. Breathe out as you drop to the other side. Let's repeat this 8 repetitions on each side. Make sure that you synchronize your breathing. Breathing out as you drop down. Breathing in as you lift up. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our wrist movement, flexion to extension. Get your arms straight out in front of you. Bring the fingertips down, stretching your forearms, and pull the fingertips in, stretching the underside of your arm. Let's perform 8 repetitions. And relax. Up next, guys, is a few neck movements. Let's start with neck left to right. Look over your left shoulder and slowly over to your right shoulder. and relax. Up next, guys, neck head tilts. So tilt to the right, tilt to the left. And relax. Up next, guys, head nods. Breathe in as you lift your chin up. Breathe out as you tuck your chin in toward the chest. Relax. Our next movement, guys, is sitting good mornings. So make sure that you're sitting comfortably, back straight. Your ankles should be directly underneath your knees. Get your hands behind your head, elbows nice and open. Breathe in, keeping your back straight. Breathe out, looking forward, back straight, and breathe in and back. Breathe out and drop. 8 repetitions. And relax. Up next, guys, is double knee tucks. Make sure you're balanced comfortably. Hands next to your hip and lift both the knees up toward the chest and drop. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Up next, guys, double leg extensions. Same position, back straight, hands next to your hips, and extend your legs straight and drop them down. Make sure that your knee stays stable. And relax. Up next, guys, is calf lifts. So we're gonna modify it, toes pointed out. Balance your hands on your knees so that there is added weight for you to lift, and lift your heels up and down. Eight repetitions again. And relax. So guys, our last warm-up movement for today is ankle mobility. We will start with ankle pull-ins and extensions. Get your legs straight out in front of you. Pull your toes in, stretching your calf. Drop your toes down, stretching your front of the leg, your shin. Pull and drop. 8 repetitions again. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की वार्म अप मूवमेंट्स. And I hope that you're sufficiently warmed up to move on to the next segment. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time. It will only make you stronger. So guys, अब हम करेंगे आज के आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है in the standing position. It is called Prasarita Padottanasana, also known as wide leg forward bend. इसके लिए आप अपने feet को shoulder width से ज़्यादा खोलें. Try to go as much as you can, feeling comfortable and balanced. Take a deep breath in, lift your arms up and breathe out as you slowly bend down, keeping your hands on the mat and slowly lower your head to the ground. Slowly lift up, deep breath in, and breathe out as you relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है अर्ध मंडलासना, also known as half circle. इसके लिए start in Vajrasana, lift up on your knees, drop your hand down, making sure that your wrist and shoulder are in one line. Stretch your leg out on the side. Take a deep breath in and lift your arm all the way up. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. Ardh Mandalasana. Breathe in and come back in the kneeling position. Let's repeat it on the other side. Ardh Mandalasana, also known as half circle. Drop your hand down, wrist directly underneath the shoulder. Stretch your legs straight out. Deep breath in and extend your arm overhead. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Pay special attention to your balance. Let your core get activated. And come back and relax. Guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है सुप्तबद्ध कोणासन, also known as supine bound angle. As the name suggests, इसे हम करेंगे supine position में. So lie comfortably on your back. Extend your legs straight down, palms facing up. Bend your left knee in, bringing your foot as close to the body as you can bring. Let's repeat on the other side. The soles of your feet will be touching each other. Knees pushed down close to the ground. Hold this asana for 10 to 15 seconds. Suptbadh Konasana, also known as supine bound angle pose. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा last आसन है उत्तान शीर्षासना, also known as the extended puppy dog. Start on your knees. Take a deep breath in, lift your arms up. Lower your arms down, keeping your hips stable. Bringing the chest down, keeping your hip in place. रिलैक्स। एक बार फिर से रिपीट करेंगे एक्सटेंडेड पपी डॉग पोज। ऑन योर नीज, डीप ब्रेथ इन, लिफ्ट योर आर्म्स अप, ब्रीथ आउट as you drop from your torso, hinging at the hip, keeping your hip stable, bringing the chest down. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन और अब हम करेंगे कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज है सूर्य भेदन प्राणायाम, ऑल्सो नोन एज द सन पियर्सिंग ब्रेथ। इसे राइट नॉस्ट्रिल ब्रीदिंग भी कहते हैं। So take your ring finger and your little finger and block the left nostril. Take a deep breath in through the right, blocking the right nostril. Breathe out through the left. In through the right, out through the left. Make sure that you take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Let's repeat it for up to 2 minutes. And relax. अगर प्राणायाम करते करते आप थक जाएं या आउट ऑफ ब्रेथ फील करें, प्लीज स्टॉप, टेक अ ब्रेक एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज रिज्यूम अगेन लेटर। आज की हमारी नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है चंद्र भेदन प्राणायाम, ऑल्सो नोन एज मून पियर्सिंग ब्रेथ। इसे लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल ब्रीदिंग भी कहते हैं। सो सेम प्रिंसिपल, यूजिंग योर लेफ्ट हैंड, block your right nostril, taking a deep breath in through the left, out through the right, in through the left, out through the right, in, out. Make sure you inhale fully, exhale fully. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements and I hope that you are not too tired. Consistency is the name of the game here. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So please take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for cutting edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.